obviously your character automatically, when he bumps into, for instance, an apple, he will get points. A timer will start when he hears something, when he sees something, you can make it talk, so on and so forth. So have a wee play around it and learn what you can actually do with this program. What I'm going to do is make my life easier, just to kind of show you this a bit more, is I'm going to actually delete these tabs here. So I'm actually going to delete that tile by simply just right clicking on it and taking that tile away. So when it sees a kodu close by, he's going to, I don't know, let's just change that now to make my life a bit easier to show this working. Let's have him actions say hello. Let it press save. Escape. So our next kind of tab is, so we've looked at our movement, we've looked at our path, we'll continue looking at the path, and then we'll look at some other settings within this kind of final video that we're doing. So also within our path tool, we have the option of press escape. We've got the option of placing in, there we go, different types of bridges and so on and so forth. So what I can actually do is, if I was to drag this over here, for instance, let's go our path tool and let's right click and choose a plain path, a wall, a road, flora. Flora being like plants and such. So let's go add flora and it'll start to put some things in. Let's make that just a different colour. We can also right click and say maybe a wall. So you can place your walls in as well. So again, you can always change the scale of these. So again, so if I was to press keep the path tool, hover over the kind of node option. So bit footery. There it is there. Change my colours. Right click, change the height. You can really mess about with these if you want to. Make something a bit unique. And finally, let's build, I don't know, a road. So I was to change again, a road. Oh, here. We can begin adding roads. Put the nest in the program, see what we can do. Okay. Last thing for your kind of brief introduction to this is we can use our eraser tool if we want to get rid of anything. Now, left click to delete most things if you wanted to, your choice. But what we want to look at is our world settings for this. So if I select the world settings and click, we then get this option here, glass walls prevents your character from running off the edge of the game. So if I was to hit play, zoom into my kodu, spin him around, and try and run him off this floating island, he gets nowhere fast. We've also got the camera mode that you can mess about with, so obviously I've set the camera up currently. Camera at spring strength, so that's how obviously quickly it jumps back. Compass resource meter. Wave height, you can change it at the sky style. Change the type of light it is for the day. Be it night time, daytime. Some obviously skies and lighting will work better with others, it just depends what one you pick. You can see the effects having on the land. Breeze, you can change this depending on the rocket you want. You can start the game with a title, a description, so obviously you can then edit these and how to place them. I tend to ignore the debug option until you're a bit more advanced and used to this. The controller is the fact that actually you can play this game with an Xbox controller. So again, take your time, have a wee look through these and look at the kind of things you can actually go through. There's a massive plethora of information you can go through and edit within this simple program. So what we'll finish off this kind of tutorial or video by doing is just simply by going to a home option. Let's just try loading into a world to see something that's actually been made within this. So again, you can save your own world when you're really happy with it. So let's go load world. Let's discard what we've made. Again, we've got pre-made lessons that are in here to teach you how to use a program. Or let's go to all. Let's pick again, maze tutorial, going fishing, so on and so forth. Let's pick a random one, so Missing MacGuffin, Mystery Level 3. Let's click that. This level's other levels linking to it. Would you like to load the first level in the chains? That's because it's a tutorial series. Well, let's ignore that and say yes. Press enter to continue. You can see this is programmed to be like a short video story. The skip this in process, obviously, just for a bit of background. Gives you a wee tutorial telling you how to actually use a program, this